The following segment is sponsored by The Parking Spot.
We are here at the parking spot, which is so close to the Salt Lake City International Airport, and we are talking with Ed. Ed, thank you so much for joining us today.
Elora, thank you for you and the team coming out to see us.
We are so excited to be here. All right, talk to us about the parking spot. For someone who doesn't know how it works or what it is, tell us all the great things.
Elora, the Parking Spot is the biggest off-airport parking company in the country. We have 38 locations at 22 airports around the U.S., but ultimately we're more than just an airport parking company. We're a service, we're a hospitality company. We're all about getting the traveler parked at our facility, getting them picked up quickly, getting them to the airport so they can make their flight, and when they get back, taking the stress out of it, getting them picked up at the airport, bringing them back to their vehicle, and getting them home quickly.
So traveling can be very stressful, from getting to the airport, doing everything. It can just be overwhelming. How does the parking spot make that process a little easier for a traveler?
That's a great question, Elora. It comes first and foremost with the planning and ultimately us being about a service and a hospitality company. Guests can reserve online any type of parking product that we have. Here at Salt Lake City, we have uncovered parking, we have covered parking, we also have premium parking, which is our best product. It's underneath the big canopies, but it's an expedited service. You get dropped off at your vehicle first, and we also have EV charging here too in the premium section, so guests with electric vehicles can park their vehicle, have it charging for them for when they get home.
That is easy enough. That makes traveling so much easier. How is the parking spot different from, let's say, another parking garage or taking a car to the airport? How is it different from doing that?
I mentioned hospitality and service, and that's a big part of it. When you park on airport at the terminal, it's more expensive, but also, you got to make sure you have that space waiting on you, sure you're going to make your flight. That's what we're here for. We're here to take care of the traveler, get them parked quickly, make sure they've got the space and the type of parking that they're looking for, and take care of them every step of the way.
There you go. And I can honestly say that I have used the parking spot before. I came here with a friend. It was so easy. I came in, the driver was friendly, it was easy enough. Everyone I talked to just made it a breeze. The parking spot, you said this a little bit earlier when we were chatting, is not just a parking garage. What do you mean by that?
Well, that's it. Yeah, exactly. And getting back to the whole hospitality experience, in travel, travelers love their loyalty programs. And so for the parking spot, we have the Spot Club. It's the best off-airport, frankly, the best airport parking loyalty program in the industry. Travelers can reserve in our app, but every time with the Spot Club, they can earn free parking, they can earn points through its car wash services. We have tiers. We have a gold and a platinum tier for those high-frequency users, but ultimately it rewards the traveler for them taking the time out and parking with us.
There you go. Okay, Ed, where can we go for more information?
Please go to theparkingspot.com. We've got everything there. You can make reservations, join the Spot Club, and find information on the app as well.
There you go. Make travel easier. There you go. The parking spot is here to help you with that. Ed, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you, Laura.